Hello, I am Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. You may be aware that I am translating Abhangas from Saint Tukaram's Abhanga Gatha so that people who do not understand Marathi will be able to understand and appreciate the greatness of Saint Tukaram. Saint Tukaram has written this beautiful epic in love with God, expressing his love for God and also teaching a lot of wisdom to the devotees. It has more than 4,500 Abhangas. Abhanga means something which cannot be destroyed. So these are the eternal words to be cherished, to be loved eternally, and they will remain this with the same power centuries after centuries. They are very lovely. Those who read once feel like reading them once again and again, again and again. So let us proceed with today's translations. First Abhanga is 475. I will read the Abhanga in Marathi. कृष्णांजने झाले सोज्वळ लोचन, तिने दिले वान निवडुनी, निरोपाच्या मापे करी लडबड, त्याचे त्याने गोड नारायणे. भाग्यवंता घरी करिता विश्वासे, कार्य त्या सारिसे होई जेते. तुका म्हणे पोट भरे बरे ओजा, निज ठाव निजा निजस्थानी. Keep the Lord Krishna in front of your eyes all the time. Believe that you are a servant at his mansion, and with that trust, serve all, serve everybody as if you are serving Lord Krishna. Do it sincerely and you will get the ultimate blessing of liberation. This is in brief the message from this Abhanga. So it's a very lovely Abhanga. Let us see the translation. First line. कृष्णांजने झाले सोज्वळ लोचन, तिने दिले वान निवडुनी. My eyes have become very holy and pure because I have put in my eyes the kajal. Kajal, an English word for kajal is collyrium, but I think everybody understands kajal. I have put in my eyes the kajal of the face of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna's rupa, his face, is the kajal he has put into his eyes, Saint Tukaram. And he says, my eyes have become holy and pure with that. The simple fact that I am beholding the rupa of Krishna has worked like kajal, and my eyes have got purified. They have become rich with spiritual charge. And as a result, they have been able to decide what is the truth. My eyes now can differentiate between truth and untruth. They have reached the truth. They have chosen the truth. This is the magic that has happened when I put the kajal of Krishna in my eyes. Let's see the second line. निरोपाच्या मापे करी लडबड, त्याचे त्याने गोड नारायणे. I am taking this effort. I am trying to convey his message, to tell you the message from God himself. I am doing all this atapita, what you say, this effort. I am taking this effort for that purpose. Lord Narayana has put extra sugar in this message. He has sweetened it with his love, and then he has given it to me to give you, to pass on his message to you. What I am doing is I am passing his message to you. Third line. भाग्यवंता घरी करिता विश्वासे, कार्यता सारिसे होई जेते. This is the message. If you serve with full trust, in the mention of the lucky master, a lucky master, Bhagyavanta. In this case, the lucky master is Lord Panduranga himself. So if you serve with full trust in the mansion of a lucky master like Lord Krishna, you will get everything that you want. This is the message from the God. And in the last line, तुका म्हणे पोट भरे बरे ओजा निज ठाव निजा निज स्थानी. Tuka says your stomach will be filled in a very nice way. You will find that your stomach is full very happily, and you will get restored to the position where you originally belonged. You didn't belong to this mortal world. You are an immortal soul. You exist as an immortal soul. That is where you were. You were there. You forgot your rupa. You forgot your original swarupa. You will get back your own kingdom. You will get back your own lost kingdom. You will realize and experience that you are the holy child of God. You will attain liberation. All this will happen when you serve in your master's house with full faith and full sincerity. This is the Abhanga. I like this Abhanga because this is what Lord Krishna has himself told Tukaram Maharaj to tell us. Isn't it lovely? Now, I would simply keep reading this again and again. I hope you liked my translation. Now let us go to the next Abhanga, which is Abhanga 476. First, I will read the Abhanga. Maind ala pandharis hati घेऊनी प्रेम पाश पुढे नाडियेले जग नेतो लागो नेदी मग उभारोनी बाहे दृष्टा दृष्टी वेधित आहे वैकुंठीहुनी पेणे केले पंढरी कारणे पुंडलिके भारा देऊनी आणिले या चोरा तुका म्हणे चला तुम्ही आम्ही धरू त्याला. Very much in a mocking mood. Tukaram Maharaj is in a very mocking mood. He is teasing the Lord. Let's see, this is a very sweet Abhanga. There is a mockery, there is a criticism, mocking criticism of Lord Vithala. Sid Tukaram is teasingly saying that Vithala traps people by using his love trap and takes the trapped person to an unknown place. Then you cannot track that person anymore. He becomes beyond finding. He cannot be found. So what Tukaram Maharaj is meaning is that the Lord actually attracts a devotee by giving him immense love, and then he also gives him liberation. That is the unknown place that he is teasingly referring to. Now there are many such sweet Abhangas in the Gatha, and that is what makes Gatha reading a great pleasure. Now let us see the translation of this mockery, and let's say the beautiful way Tukaram Maharaj likes to tease Lord Panduranga. He says, Mainda ala pandharesa hati ghyuni prema pasha. This trickster, this thief, this trickster thief, Lord Vithala, has come to Pandharpur with a trap in his hands. It's a love trap. Second line, Pudhe nadiyele jaga neto lago nedi mag. His business is that he tricks the world and takes people of this world to a place where from there will be no trace of that person. Once he has gone there, you cannot track him. The next line, that is the third line, Ubharoni bahe drushta drushti vedhi tahe. He is raising his arms unalarmingly and meets the people's eyes with his own eyes. So lovely eyes, he puts his eyes into your eyes, and that's how he attracts a man, how he converts an ordinary man into a great devotee. Now we'll come to the fourth line. Vaikunthi huni pene kele pandhari karane. Oh, that is the reason why he has left Vaikuntha and he has come here in Pandharpur. and he's parking here in Pandharpur to trap people like that. And the fifth line, he says, Pundalike bhara devuni anle yatsora. And in the last line, he says, Tuka mane chala, tumhi amhi dharu tyala. So, the great devotee Pundalik has given support to Lord Panduranga in this mission and brought this thief here. Pundalik is a co-conspirator. He has brought this thief here in Pandharpur. Saint Tukaram is calling the Lord a thief, thief of hearts. Isn't that lovely? And in the end he says, let us all go and catch him. Now, yes, naturally, since he's a thief, let us go and catch him. You want to catch the thief, and then once you catch the thief, what will happen? The thief will not leave you, and you will not leave the thief, and ultimately you will find that you are beyond this world. You have attained your moksha. You have become free. You have no bondage. You are freed from the cycle of birth and death. That is the beauty. The Lord has come to do all this for you. He has come all the way from Vaikuntha to Pandharpur, and he is standing there, and all that we have to do is let's go and just catch him. What a lovely Abhanga. I liked it very much. I hope you liked my translation. And with this, we will complete today's translations. I would like to request you to see the other translations on this channel also. Also see the other features such as Abhanga, Pandhari, Path Karave Tase Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj's Bara Abhanga, that is available in English, in Hindi, and also in Marathi. So please do read, please circulate, please share all this with all your friends and relatives. Let the world become a nice, enjoying place. Let's all enjoy. Thank you very much for listening to me, and we will meet next time. Till then, bye.